Let's meet. Typing club. To play with computer, you have to type fluently. Okay, let's get started. So here is the browser, and let's go to Typing Club. You don't have to sign up an account before you can start playing with that. Okay, so let's simply click get started. So there are hundreds of lessons. The first one is very, very important. Make sure you don't skip this.
So, I hear you want to type like a pro. Let's start by setting up your finger positioning. Look at the F and J keys on your keyboard. Do you see the bumps on each key?
Okay, so here is how to type. Okay, I don't want to waste your time, so you can watch it again, and let's go to the next lesson. Let's go to lesson 2. Are you sure? Yes, continue. Just follow the instruction on the screen. F, J. Good job. F, J. Oh, what? Continue. Don't worry. Oops. Easy, huh? Yeah, good job. Thank you. Try it again or continue. Let me continue. Oh, F space, F space, J. Oh, oops. Wow. Wait. Good job. Cool. Wow. Oh, wow. Keep going. So you see, it's fun. Hopefully I get 5 star, 5 star, yeah! 1,881 points, cool. So, next, okay, what's that? D. And we can always go back to the main screen, main menu. Yeah. And another thing is we can check out the status. It will show the strength of each of our fingers. But okay, so maybe we have to sign up for a free account to get the status. But it's up to you. Cool. So keep practicing until you are very comfortable with the keyboards. See you next time.